Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Hayward S244T is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining a crystal clear swimming pool, ensuring that your water is not only visually appealing but also hygienic for all your family and friends to enjoy throughout the swimming season. This particular model stands out for its robust construction and efficient filtration capabilities, making it a top choice for pool owners seeking reliability and performance without constant hassle or worry about its upkeep. It's designed to handle significant water volumes, promising fewer interruptions and more time spent relaxing by the pool. Number 5. Hayward SP0714T VariFlo Top Mount Multiport Valve. Introducing the Hayward SP0714T VariFlo Top Mount Multiport Valve. This essential part is designed for Hayward ProSeries top mount sand filters with 1.5-inch plumbing. Its integrated sight glass allows for visual confirmation during the backwash cycle. You can easily see when the water runs clear, ensuring optimal filter performance. Built for longevity, this valve is constructed with heavy-duty stainless steel and ABS components. This ensures maximum quality and reliability for your pool system. Operating your filter has never been easier. The valve features a user-friendly lever action handle for simple and intuitive control. Choose Hayward for dependable pool filter parts. This multiport valve is engineered to provide lasting performance and peace of mind. What we like. This valve offers visual confirmation of backwash completion. Its heavy-duty construction ensures longevity. If you need a reliable and easy-to-operate valve for your Hayward ProSeries sand filter, this is a great choice. What people say. The Hayward SP0714T VariFlo Top Mount Multiport Valve is an excellent replacement for my pool system, and it's performed flawlessly since I installed it. Once installed, the VariFlo valve operates smoothly through all positions: filter, backwash, rinse, waste, recirculate, and closed, with no sticking or leaks. Hayward is known for durable pool parts, and this valve lives up to that reputation. The materials feel rugged and designed to withstand regular use without wear or performance loss. Number 4. SWIMLINE 19-foot Sand Filter Pump. Achieve sparkling clean water in just 72 hours with this powerful sand filtration system. Its 6-way valve makes pool maintenance incredibly simple. This filter boasts a durable 19-inch tank, capable of holding 175 pounds of sand. It's ideal for pools up to 19,000 gallons. Experience quiet operation with its optimized 0.9 THP, 4,500 GPH pump. It's designed for efficiency and compliance, ensuring powerful filtration without the noise. Easily manage your pool's filtration with the intuitive top-mounted 6-position valve. Switch between various modes for complete control. Rely on over 50 years of expertise from a USA-based, family-owned business. We are dedicated to providing high-quality pool equipment for every pool owner. What we like. Achieve crystal clear water quickly with this powerful sand filter system. Its large tank is perfect for bigger pools. If you're looking for an efficient, quiet, and easy-to-use filtration solution for your above-ground pool, this system is an excellent option. What people say. Keeps that water moving nicely to keep my water clean and clear. It is a super easy install and winterization process. It took my husband a couple of hours to get it hooked up properly and put together. We let it run all night and checked the pool the very next morning, and it was already 1,000 times better. The next day after that the pool was blue and clear again. Finally swimmable. Does this product really work? Yes, it does. And very well. To start, it's powerful. The SUC5 Ion is wonderful, and it cleans my 12 by 20 foot oblong above ground Coleman pool in about 2 to 3 hours, give or take how much cleaning needs to be done. This is even with the skimmer basket attached. Another big plus is that it comes with all the needed hoses, clamps and tools necessary. Number 3. Hayward SX244DA Lateral Assembly Replacement. Ensure your pool remains crystal clear with this essential replacement part. It's designed to maintain optimal filtration performance. This assembly is specifically made for select Hayward ProSeries sand filters, including models S244T and S244TC. It guarantees a precise fit for seamless installation. The package includes the lateral assembly and the necessary center pipe. You'll have everything you need for a straightforward replacement. Crafted for durability, this component is built to last. It ensures long-term reliability for your pool's filtration system. Replacing your old part is simple, and the results are immediate. Enjoy efficient and effective skimmer and filter operation once installed. Weighing just 2.6 pounds, this part is easy to handle during installation. Despite its light weight, it's built to withstand regular use. What we like. This is a direct replacement lateral assembly for specific Hayward ProSeries sand filters. It ensures proper water distribution for effective filtration. If your existing lateral assembly is damaged or needs replacement on a compatible Hayward filter, this part will restore its performance. What people say. This assembly arrived in 2 days, slipped perfectly into place, and then we added the new sand. No problems encountered. This assembly is identical to the original and fits just fine. Identical to the original, but the center pipe seems more robust. Also, fill the filter halfway with water before dumping the sand in, and check the centering. The worst thing you can do is stress that center pipe too much. My old one snapped right off, so careful with your new one. Here's hoping for no more sand in the pool. Number 2. Hayward ProSeries 24-inch top-mount sand filter. Experience superior pool cleaning with our advanced sand filter. Its unique design ensures efficient water flow and self-cleaning backwashing for crystal clear water. Achieve optimal filtration thanks to the diffuser that evenly distributes water across the entire sand bed. Enjoy the cleanest water possible for your pool. Built to last, this filter features a corrosion-proof tank made from durable polymeric material. It's designed for reliable operation in any weather condition. Managing your pool's filtration is simple with the easy-to-use 6-position control valve. Quickly select the right function for your needs with its convenient lever handle. Prepare your pool for the off-season with ease. The large-pressure sand and water drain allows for rapid winterizing and hassle-free servicing when needed. What we like. This filter provides excellent all-weather performance with its corrosion-proof tank. It ensures balanced flow and backwashing for optimal filtration. If you need a durable and efficient sand filter for your pool that can withstand various weather conditions and is easy to operate, consider this model. What people say. This is my second filter of the same type. The other one still works fine, we just moved to a different house with a different pool. The filter is working well, the pool is clear, and no sand was seen in the pool, which tells me I did not break any of the plastic water intakes I installed inside the sand. This filter is so quiet when compared to our last one, I often wasn't sure if it was even running. We realized how poorly our old one was working after installing this one. Number 1. Hayward ProSeries 21 Sand Filter System. Introducing the Hayward ProSeries 21-inch sand filter system, designed for your above-ground pool. It's a complete package for crystal clear water. This system includes a robust 20-inch polymeric tank and a 7-position control valve for optimal performance. Its large drain makes winterizing and servicing a breeze. The 7-position VariFlo valve ensures maximum water flow while maintaining lower pressure drop. This means your pool gets cleaner, faster. With a pump-to-filter union connection, installation and winterization are incredibly simple. Spend less time on setup and more time enjoying your pool. An integral top diffuser guarantees even water distribution across the entire sand bed. This maximizes the filtration area for superior cleaning. It also features a 1.5 HP PowerFlow Matrix pool pump and a one-piece deluxe base. Everything you need for a perfectly filtered pool is included. What we like. This is a comprehensive filter system designed for above-ground pools. It includes a powerful pump and a versatile 7-position valve for maximum flow. If you are setting up a new above-ground pool or upgrading your current system and want a reliable, easy-to-install, and efficient filtration solution, this system is a strong contender. What people say. This filter turns it over multiple times a day, no problem. My electric bill has actually went down significantly, and my water was much easier to get clear. This pump moves some serious water. I've got about a 13,500 gallon above ground, and by calculations it will circulate the water almost 2 times in my 12 hours of running per day. My pool all year has been sparkling and clean. The 1.5 horsepower motor in this unit is over 2x more powerful than the one it replaces, and the sand filter is larger too. The hoses, clamps, and threaded fittings that Hayward supplies all seem to be really high-quality parts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.